to another video. Okay, today we're going to be programming a basketball team class. Okay, we're going to be including iOS stream, which is our input output stream, and our string. Okay, our input output stream allows us to use variables, tasks, or what do we call it, like things. Okay, which, like, for example, like things that are related to the program itself, such as console output and console input. Okay, so this is basically for example, when we see out is we out from the console, basically allows us to play with the program or the C++ program, where, because like in a program usually, or in a computer, there's input and output, right? That's where iOS stream comes in. Okay, it allows us to output and input to a computer. Okay, so yeah, so for example, let's just stay with class, let's say basketball team. Okay, and then private is int equals to team rating. Okay, string is team name. Okay, and public is get rating. Okay, the private section has team rating, which is going to be the rating we give the team. It's going to be an integer, since the reason for user the double value. We can't just say, okay, I like this team 0.001% more than I like this team. It's usually like 1%, or I like this team 10 times better, or 1 times better. It's usually a whole number when people talk about which team is better. Like if we have to rate a team, right? That's usually out of 10 or something like that usually. Okay? And then the string's team name is going to be taking the name of the team. Okay? So yeah. So int get rate is basically return what's it called? Team get rate. Get rate basically returns what's it called, the rating of the team. Okay, and get name returns the team name. Okay, so when we say get rate, it returns the team rating. The team rating could be the rating you guys are gonna input. Okay, according to whatever the user wants to rate the team, and the get name basically returns what's called the name of the team. So void rate equals to what do you rate the team. So for example, let's say like it's gonna ask us what do you rate the team, right? And it's gonna and then the user's gonna input, okay, I rate the team this much. For example, I'm gonna between 1 or 10 or whatever value you want to put in. Okay, however much I like the team. Okay, and void name is basically the team's name. Okay, so gonna console output enter the name of the team. So basically, like void name is gonna basically taking the what's it called here. It's gonna take console input, right? It's gonna get line console input. We say console input ignore here because like every time we enter a console, what's it called, we enter a line to the code like that's empty. For example, like let's say I don't press anything, I just press enter and I input empty string. It's gonna ignore it. It's gonna just ask me for another input. Okay, which is get line console input team name. So we're gonna put console input and team name. Okay, console input is ignored, get line So you get the point. Okay, so yeah, and here see out, we're gonna use is console output into the name. So at least the user knows what we're asking for, what we're asking for the user, what question we're asking the user, and then we're gonna have that. Okay, and our main function is gonna take in 2 basketball teams. We're using only 2 basketball teams here. We're not using an array because like it's simpler for you guys to understand the code if we use 2 basketball teams, which is K and T. Okay, let's say K and T are 2 basketball teams. There's a basketball team called K, basketball team called T. They're 2 variables. It could be the Lakers, Miami Heat, whatever we're gonna call it. Okay, so we enter the first team and the rating. Okay, which is K.name. Okay, and then K.rate is the what's it called, the rating for the team. And for the second team also T.name, and T.rate is the rating for the team also. Okay, if K.getRate is greater than T.getRate, so whichever value is greater here, okay, which is usually T.getRate is expected to be greater, then we're gonna say K.getName is the better basketball team. Okay, here also if you say K.getRate is less than T.getRate, then T.getName is the greatest basketball team. But let's just say both of the teams have the same rating, like you equally like the teams, and then it's gonna say both teams have the same rating. Okay, so yeah, here's the code again for you guys to check it out, and I'm just going with the code now. So let's just say Lakers, let's say 10, Miami Heat is, let's say, 20. So the better basketball team according to the rating is Miami Heat. Okay, I'm just gonna run the program again for you guys. I'm gonna say Miami Heat is 10, and the second basketball team, let's say it's Lakers, let's say it's rate 10 also. So it's gonna say both teams have the same rating, okay? All right. I'm gonna run the program one more time, okay? Say that. Alright, go. What do you rate the team? 10. Lakers 10 and Miami Heat 20. So the better basketball team according to ratings, Miami Heat. Okay, guys, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.